To DJH Prestige and Sports, where we've acquired what I believe to be one of the best and highest spec Focus ST-3 TDCi's in the country. And I don't usually play my cars up, I usually play them down if anything. This car is in absolutely superb condition with the biggest level of spec I've seen on a Focus, complemented with a full service history, having the cam belt done as well. So I'll start with it. It's in Phantom Black, as we can see. It's got the full Focus ST line body styling kit. Wheels are absolutely superb condition. Bodywork's lovely. It's got tinted glass to the rear. Got the little added extras there for the wind deflectors. Rear park distance control. It also comes with a camera. Beautiful ST rear diffuser and twin exhaust, high level rear spoiler. As you can see, it's in lovely condition. It's coming to a main dealer in part exchange. That's where we've appropriated it from. All our cars are pictured and videoed outside for better light, but are kept in our indoor showroom for any weather viewing. Reverse camera. As you can see, it's absolutely stunning in the back. Rear parcel shelf. Got full leather interior, white stitch piping. We have these lovely little protectors on the door protectors here that flick open. Electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats, full Recaro ST trim, factory fitted sunroof. To start the car up, it's done 54,365 miles. Electric sunroof. Starts up lovely. Reverse camera. USB. Touchscreen, satellite navigation. Boost bars, climate control, Sony speakers, Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio. Car's just finished lovely. I've just got a heated steering wheel, 3-stage heated seats, cruise control. This car has been loved and cherished. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call